Hello everyone, welcome to Brainy Hub. I'm Amir Massoudi and in today's video I'm going to teach you our mental metric. That mental metric is how to multiply any two-digit number by 11. So let's do some examples. The first example is 11 multiplied 23. First we'll write the first digit, then we will add those two digits, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then we will write the last digit 3. Then our answer is 253. Let's have three more examples. The second example is 11 multiplied 66. This one has a carry. I'm going to show you how to multiply it with a carry. So let's get started. First we'll write the first digit 6, then we will add those two numbers. 6 plus 6 is 12. We will write the 2, then we will carry the 1. Then we will write the last digit 6. Our answer is still not 626. We have to add the carry. With the carry, our answer is 726. So let's have two more examples. The other example is going to be 11 multiply 98. So first we will write the 9, then we will add those two numbers. 9 plus 8 is 17. We will write the 7 and we will carry the 1. Then we will write the last digit 8. Then we will carry the 1. Then our answer is going to be 1078. So this is our final example, and this example is 11 multiply 72. First we will write the 7, then we will add those two numbers. 7 plus 2, then 7 plus 2 is 9, then we will write the last digit 2. Then our answer is going to be 792. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.